Alrighty, here we are today, back with another video of just another AC maintenance. Just hoping these reach out to someone and hopefully can help someone start their career or have some knowledge on this stuff before they actually get into the field. So you see how dirty this is. All the way around once again on a Lennox. If you don't got one of these magnet trays, gotta get one. Very handy. All the way around, we're gonna clean this thing up. Alrighty, as you can see, we got all our panels back together after cleaning that coil up. Now we're gonna get over here, dive into this electrical, make sure our contactor's good, make sure our capacitor's good. Then we'll hook up our gauges down there. Alrighty, as you can see here, this is a normal condenser. Got a contactor with a 24-volt coil, and then our capacitor here. Going there, a common, and then our fan, and then our start. Lennox also does manufacture inverter systems. I made a video on an inverter system a couple videos back. Go check it out. But Lennox and Bryant, that I know, both do manufacture inverter systems. This is the data tag here. So this thing here is real helpful. Gives you, your required liquid line pressure and then your suction line pressure based on the tonnage of your system and based on your temperature outside. And it also gives you your subcooling. So always check out the inside of these panels. Always got your wiring diagram too. If you don't know how to read one of these, figure it out. Alrighty, here we are checking a capacitor. We got a 40-5 capacitor, dual run capacitor, 40 for your compressor and 5 for your fan. And we're testing out our fan, going from common to fan. Fan is typically your singular terminal, and then common typically either has 3 or 4. And it also is labeled on the capacitor, but our fan side is in range. Alrighty, checking out our compressor side, going from common to Herm. Rated for 40 microfarads, and we're getting 39, so this thing is in range. Alright, just while I was hooking up my gauges, I noticed that we got a loose Schrader core. So it's a good time to show you. Got a little Schrader core tool here. Put it in there, and righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we'll try to hook these gauges up and see if anything leaks again. All right, so we just tightened up our Schrader core. See if that makes us any better. Yes, it does. See, always got to watch out for those things. Now you want to get some amp draws. We got all our gauges hooked up. Grab your amp draws from each leg coming in from your breaker box, well, from your disconnect. And then we're gonna take some voltages here. So we'll check our incoming voltage. So we got 240. And like I made a video about previously, you want to check your voltage drop. 0 voltage drop. So we're good there. All right, and then you want to grab your run, start, and common. Most likely your run and start are going to be coming off of your capacitor, and then your common is typically going to be a black wire coming off on the screw terminal from your contactor. So I need 2 hands to get in here. All right, see, we got our common here, looking good there. So now we're going to get our pressures. I'll put a picture of what the pressures look like at the end of the video. So thank you for watching, guys.